In primetime news this evening, development concerns in Portmore St. Catherine, but who is to be blamed? Flood bill, Agriculture Ministry quotes over $77 million in losses after last week's rains, and farmers and residents question delay in assistance 1 week after flooding.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, with plans to open events to vaccinated people, if you haven't gotten the COVID jab, do you feel inclined to do so now? Give reasons for your answer. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.